Я думаю, что эту песню вы все узнаете. Буквально с первой ноты. Держите, держите, крепче булки, сейчас будет горячо.
It's just one of those days when you don't wanna wake up. Everything is full of everybody's up. You don't really know why, but you should justify. Rip it all, get it all. Don't give me the contract. And if you hit that, you live in on the contract. You best bet to just stay away, motherfucker. It's just one of those days. It's all about the kids and shit and bullshit. I'm thinking about the queen, let the shit slip. I'm feeling even better fast sleep. It's all got the kids and shit and bullshit. I'm thinking about the queen, talking that shit. It's just one of those days, feeling like a fiddle drain. What are you on to complain? About certain ball train, that's such an maniac. Let the young show, we're just another program. No killings in the stuck up, you just lock up. It's like you didn't fuck up, you didn't expect to stay away, motherfucker. It's all got the kids and shit and bullshit. I'm thinking about a quit, let the shit slip. I'm gonna leave it better fast sleep. It's all got the kids and shit and bullshit. I'm thinking about a quit, talking that shit. Fuck, come on, get it. I feel like shit. My suggestion is keep your distance. Ghost right, I'm dangerous. But I feel like shit. With a drill and shit. All those motherfuckers come on to step up. I come and knock the chainsaw. I skin your asshole. And if my day keeps gone this way, just might break something tonight. I skin your asshole. Break it asshole. And if my day keeps gone this way, just might break something tonight. I skin your chainsaw. I skin your asshole. And if my day keeps gone this way tonight, break your fucking voice tonight. Give it stop to break. Just give it stop to break. Just give it stop to break. Whoa, come roll your fucking face. I can be turning chainsaw what? And chainsaw what? And chainsaw what? Sugar McGill, it's all got the kids and shit and bullshit. I think you better quit, let the shit slip. Didn't leave it better friendly. It's all got the kids and shit and bullshit. I think you better quit, talking that shit. Sugar McGill.
Спасибо.